Let's see how to insert symbols and special characters in Microsoft Word. First off, we want to open Microsoft Word. And as you can see right here, we have our document ready. Now, to insert special characters, there are two ways that you can do this. The first one is by going on the internet and by searching up specific characters that you want to use or insert in your document and simply copy and then paste them into your Microsoft Word document. Another method you can use is the one that's embedded in Microsoft Word. So go ahead to the Insert tab and click on Symbol. Now you'll see that there are different symbols right here that you could use. And there are even more symbols when you click this. And right here, you have a lot of different symbols and a lot of different subsets that will help you navigate and look for specific symbols that you want to. You can also insert special characters, such as this one. And really, there is a lot of different symbols and characters that you can insert into your document that are already in Microsoft Word. I hope this helped, and I will see you soon.